Ugga-duggas always work. Just depends on how many Ugga-duggas you need. Seat removal, buck truck. Today, I'm taking the seat out of the buck truck and I'm getting it reupholstered. There's a cool company in Mobile, Alabama called Like New. And they're gonna reupholster this, what used to be a custom blue vinyl work truck seat with some vegan leather and some pretty snazzy grandma's couch brown and blue plaid. I'm gonna get the other two 13mm bolts off the other side of the seat and load it up in the Raptor. Well, doing these by hand was definitely a mistake, so I'm gonna grab the impact. Sometimes you gotta hit them with the swivel. Woo, it's nasty. I'm gonna pull the seat out and load it into the back of the Raptor. On to Like New.